What's going on, phone nerds? Ian here again with Mega Mobile USA, and today I want to do a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi 10X. Now you can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description. But real quick, the specs on this guy: it has a 6.53 inch screen. It's dual SIM. It's got a 50-20 milliamp hour battery, 128 gigs of storage with 6 gigs of RAM. They do come in 4. This particular one that I'm offering is in 6. And it has a Helio G85 processor. Now, as far as phones go, this is sort of just below mid-range is probably what I would say if I had to give it some sort of identity. It has a 48 megapixel camera on it, so it's not bad. The specs are middle of the road. If maybe this is your first cell phone, or if this is a kid's cell phone, or if you just really don't care and just want a phone that's just going to get the job done, then this is it. If you buy it from me, this is exactly what you're going to get. And if you'd be so kind as to like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below, I can show you how to get the best price, all right? So without further ado, take the top off. Got this little insert here. Pretty standard of Xiaomi to do so. There's typically the SIM eject tool, then they got some documents, and then they have this case here. Let's check this guy out here. So this is like a black silicone case. It's nothing crazy. It'll provide some protection. I would probably use it, and I wouldn't bother getting anything different. It's a pretty solid case. It's pretty standard. Then we got the phone here. It's gonna come in this little wrapper here. It's got this particular one has a screen protector on it. You can see here it's got the 48 megapixel, and I don't know if that's a fingerprint sensor, although I think it is. I can't imagine anything else would be, because there's the flash and there's the rest of the cameras. You got a headphone jack on the bottom, which is pretty cool. USB-C, and this is the sort of bluish color. Got this insert, I'll peel that off. We have a USB-A to USB-C USB cable, and then we have a charger. This particular model is a Hong Kong Chinese version, so it does have a similar plug to ours. However, if the one in the box is different, know that I will always provide you with an adapter. You just slap it on the end of it, plug it into the wall. Yeah, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it works, and you will be all set. So if you have any other questions, please let me know. Happy to answer them. The one other side note is that this particular product, it does have the Google Play Store, so you'll get all the apps and everything like that. No need to worry about anything like that. It's a pleasure as always, and I look forward to your business. Thank you so much.